two sets of questions. So it's clear that you're doing a lot of work with your supplier.
Yes.
Yes, my question is, how many tiers of suppliers do you, if at all, do certification and audit works with? So in other words, how does B Lab judge you when your suppliers or their contractors have non-compliant or issues?
Yeah, we have a factory in 22 countries right now. I don't have exact number how many supply in tier 1 or tier 2, but our team in we have an auditor in each regions.
Third party or?
As our own auditor, and also we work with a third party too, to monitor and audit each factories and suppliers. And before we had a contract with new supplier, we ran the same audit. And if we find any problem with the new factory, the SCL department have like to not have contract with them. So our SCL department work with production department to ensure that our factory is meet our environmental social performance needs.
And all these audits are drafted based on the BIA regulations?
No, we have own standard. We created. We have a code of conduct, workers' code of conduct, and also each factory needs to sign a contract, code of conduct before we start business. So we have maybe if you would like to know that in detail, we are very transparent, so you can find the process and also what we are doing now in the website. And maybe that's the most effective way you can get the information.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is, in the example in the presentation of the supplier, I think called Evertex in Tainan County in Taiwan. Well, so suppliers like that, may I ask how long a contract between Patagonia and the supplier must there be in order for a brand company or a overall company like Patagonia to demand an OEM supplier to make a footprint change?
I don't have the right answer, but because I'm not directly in charge of supply chain management. But whenever we find a problem, we give them some period of time to improve their performance. So we are hoping to have long relations for a long time, not just so as a company we wanted to make a best product. The best product means not only the best in the environment, but also the quality, that means durable, and also design, and also that. So we hope we can have a long relationship between each suppliers, because we are making some technical clothing which require very high expertise on the sewing. So that means we cannot change the supplier year by year. So the cost is also important, but we see the supplier from many aspects. from what we require for the product.
Thank you for the details. If I may sound a little bit accusatory, but I don't intend to, do you hope to have a long-term contract with the contractor, with the supplier before you enter a relationship with them, or do you have a contract first before you demand the footprint change? Thank you.
Usually, the apparel industry share the same factory. So, for example, in factory, some factory has a contract with Patagonia as well as a contract with maybe Nike or the other brand. So if we can influence the factory in our line supply chain, we can also affect the supply, actually production of the other businesses. So that is more not only for us but also for the company or supplier. It would be great to have more social and environmental responsibility program online.
Thank you, Kenji, for such inspirational insight. Now, we're going to start our lunch break. For those who sit in this room, please move to B1 where the lunch will be served.